How to make an awesome video in less than 5 minutes. Hey, before we jump into today's training, welcome to my channel, the Parisi Pack. I'm so happy to have you here. My name is Stephanie Parisi, and I am the leader of the Parisi Pack. It is my private coaching community on Facebook. I love helping busy moms grow their influence and their profits using social media strategies that actually work. If you like what you're hearing, hit that subscribe bell and let's dive into this. So I open up Facebook and I'm gonna create a post, and then I'm grabbing the picture that I want, putting it on, and now I'm gonna edit the pic. I'm gonna add in some GIFs. So I'm typing in dance to get a fun dancing guy. Put that on the picture. Then I'm gonna grab a sunshine. You can see putting him on the pic. And then once I get these GIFs on the picture, then I'm gonna screen record. Okay, so I would screen record this, and then I'm gonna switch over to the Clips app. So now I'm on the Clips app. I'm gonna open up Clips, and I'm gonna grab what I made. You can hear Jakey crawling in the background here. So I'm grabbing this, and now I didn't even have to edit the screen recorded video. Now I'm just centering it where I want it to be and recording it. And then I'm gonna add in some text that says SPF 50 because I want that to pop up after a little bit. I'm putting that in there. And then cool thing about Clips app is you can record things out of order and then reorder it. So now I'm grabbing the sunshine. That's our weather today, which is amazing. I'm gonna add a little text to it just to make it fun. And I'm gonna also add a sticker because the sticker, as you see in the video, like it just makes it fun. It flashes while it's on there. And then I'm gonna record that. Now I'm grabbing a picture of Jakey because we were just outside. I'm gonna add a little bit of text just to show my attitude. You always wanna add expression if you can because people don't know your feeling behind it. So I'm putting that on there. We're excited about the sunshine. And then I am going to reorder these things. Putting the sunshine first, then I'm putting Jakey, then the new and improved sunscreen, and now I'm gonna do my call to action, keeping it simple. And that's it. And I have just made a fun little movie. And now I'm gonna post this. So it took me maybe 5 minutes. And here you can see the final result. I just posted it on Facebook, added a little text, asked a question, and people are already engaging with the post. And that's it. How to make a fun movie in less than 5 minutes, even when you have your kids with you. Are you looking to grow your influence and your profits online? Then grab your spot in the Parisi Pack, my private coaching community. You can find the Parisi Pack on Facebook.